Welcome to our workshop on batch processing and custom batch processing. Right now we're using the professional version of the program Sharpen number 4, and now I'd like to show you how you can include custom settings in batch processing. Let's assume we have this image here and sharpen it with the automatic function first, but then we decide we might want to add a bit of multi-directional sharpening and calculate everything in a higher quality level as well. Let's take a closer look at the image after we do so. This is now the sharpened image. Press the right mouse button and that's what the original image looks like. And we can make even more changes. For instance, we can increase the correction a bit more and denoise a little bit more to counteract the increased noise. And then we've configured our custom settings. If we want to apply them to batch processing, we need to go to our settings. We'll go to Extras and Settings, and then to the automatic functions, where we see the sharpness settings here at the top. And if we deselect these three boxes here at the top, all of the settings that we made here at the right will no longer be reset for each new image. We thus deactivate the automatic function that is responsible for resetting the program for each image. If we apply that, the setting we configured will now no longer be reset. That means it can also be used during batch processing. And in batch processing in all accelerated vision programs, that functions so that you can apply these very custom settings in this manner. We'll confirm that by pressing Apply and then OK. And then we'll go to batch processing, choose extras and batch processing, and we don't want to save the current project just now. And we'll choose our source folder as usual. Then the program shows the images accordingly with a preview featuring the user settings I just configured. And now I'll select the target folder as well. That's the same folder in this case. I'll save it to the same folder and it won't be overwritten, of course. And since the sharpness settings are set to unchanged, these user settings won't be changed now. Then all we have to do is start the batch processing. We'll do that now and let the computer do its work for a moment. And now just a couple more images and it's done. And now we can look at the folder, and for each image we see the original image and the image calculated using batch processing right beside it as well. We can look at that again here in the preview, and now we see how this user setting affected the batch processing. And so as you can see, it's quite easy. I hope you enjoy using these features, and see you next time.